In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Bitbucket accounts. If you juggle different teams or clients, you've probably noticed that signing into one Bitbucket account in a single browser window tends to sign you out of another. The easiest way to keep multiple accounts open at the same time is to use separate browser profiles. Each profile stores its own cookies and site data, which means each one can hold its own Bitbucket session without interfering with the others. Start in your browser and click the profile icon at the top right of the window. This is where you manage who's currently using the browser. Select Add, then create a new profile. Give it a clear name, choose a color or icon that stands out, and if your browser offers it, create a desktop shortcut so you can jump into the right workspace with one click. This keeps things visually distinct so you always know which account you're using. With your first browser profile open, sign into Bitbucket account A as you normally would. This profile will now remember that account. Next, open the other profile you just created. In that separate window, go to Bitbucket and sign into account B. Because the profiles don't share cookies, both accounts stay logged in at the same time. You can keep both windows open side by side, switch via the profile icon, or use the separate desktop shortcuts or taskbar icons to move between them quickly. A few practical tips make this smoother. Bookmark each account's repositories or pull request pages in its own profile to speed up navigation. Consider using different themes or color accents per profile to avoid mixing them up. If you ever find yourself unexpectedly logged out, double check that you're in the intended profile and not in a private or incognito window, which doesn't save sessions. Also note that clearing cookies in one profile won't affect the others, which helps when you need to troubleshoot without disrupting your work elsewhere. One important caveat: this setup is great for web-based tasks like reviewing pull requests, checking pipelines, or browsing issues, but it's not ideal for Git command line work. Command line authentication often needs its own configuration, which is separate from your browser sign-ins and beyond the scope of this walkthrough. That's it. By creating distinct browser profiles and signing each one into a different Bitbucket account, you can stay logged in simultaneously without conflicts and keep your workflows clean, organized, and uninterrupted.